You want to record your screen without watermarks, time limits, or paying for expensive software? In this video, I'll show you the top 3 best free screen recorders for Windows, and they're completely watermark free. So number 1 is OBS Studio, the most powerful free screen recorder out there. It's open source, completely free, and used by many YouTubers and streamers. Just go to obsproject.com and download it for Windows, or you can go to Microsoft Store and download. So once installed, set up a display capture to record your screen and click start recording. That's it. The pros of this software is no watermark, high quality, great for advanced users. You have several different options available there. Cons is that slight learning curve for beginners. If you want full control and high quality output, OBS is unbeatable. There is no competition. Search for OBS Studio download. Just download it from here and set it up. You can set it up easily and open. So basically, it is very simple. Under the sources tab, click on the plus icon and choose display capture if you want to capture the whole display. And if you want to capture a specific window, use the window capture option. And it's very simple. Just click start recording and it will start recording instantly. And you will find all the recordings here from go to file and show recordings. So this is OBS Studio, and number 2 is ShareX, a lightweight, fast, and feature-packed screen recorder. It's perfect for making tutorials, walkthroughs, or even quick GIFs. So go to sharex.com, download and install. Once open, click on screen recording and start capture. The pros of this software is that no watermarks, lots of capture options, customizable. Cons is that interface may look overwhelming at first, like there are a lot of options. If you want something flexible without eating up resources, ShareX is a great choice. So basically, ShareX is lightweight, doesn't use much memory. Search for ShareX, download. And click on the first link. Download the installer. You can download either fixed one or portable. You can download also from Microsoft Store. So let's set up ShareX. While it's being extracted, let's go for the third option, and that is Xbox Game Bar. Number 3 is Xbox Game Bar, and guess what? It's already built into Windows 10 and 11. Just press Windows key and the G button simultaneously and you'll see the Game Bar overlay. Click the record button and it starts recording your screen. The pros of this Xbox Game Bar is that it's built-in, easy to use, and no install necessary. And cons is limited to recording only one app at a time. It doesn't record the whole screen. Perfect for quick screen recordings and super beginner friendly. So which one should you use? OBS Studio, best for serious creators. ShareX, best for power users who want flexibility. Xbox Gamber is best for beginners and quick tasks. Choose the one that fits your workflow best. So, and segment 2 is still working. I have downloaded the portable one, ShareX Portable, and it's almost completed extraction. Let's just open this. I use OBS Studio, obviously, not this one. I'm just showing you. So click on capture, full screen window, monitor, region, screen recording, or whatever. So this is it, and you can discover it by yourself. So let's close it. So let me give the outro. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which screen recorder you're using, or if you want a tutorial on how to use any of these in detail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips and tutorials.